Lux Laundry Services was established to redefine convenience in laundry care, understanding the busy schedules of students, young professionals, and urban dwellers. Lux delivers premium and hassle-free solutions. Starting as a small operation, Lux grew by leveraging technology, eco-friendly practices, and personalized service. It quickly became synonymous with efficiency, quality, and convenience, especially for students.
Planning to use our laundry app? So here's the step. Step 1. Scan the QR code for install our laundry app. And if you're a new customer, create an account first and set up your personal details and payment method. Step 2. Choose your laundry service. Type of laundry service you need, such as washing, drying, and ironing. Step 3. Enter your laundry details and input the details such as the number of items, type of clothing, or any specific instructions like delicate items or fabric preference. Step 5. Step 4 first. Students can choose drop off or pick up and delivery service. Continue. Confirm and make a payment. Review your order. Confirm the details and proceed to payment using your preferred method such as online banking or cash on delivery.
Affordable laundry solution? I think Lux Laundry has the perfect subscription plans for you. Choose from 3 flexible options. First, basic plans. Only just 50 ringgit per month for wash and pull up to 20 kg of laundry. 2. Standard plan. At 80 ringgit per month, you can get wash, dry, fold, plus stain removal with 30 kg of laundry included. 3. Premium plan. For 120 ringgit per month, enjoy wash, dry, fold, and basic ironing covering up to 40 kg of laundry. And don't miss our special promotions. New customers get 50% off their first laundry experience. Celebrating your birthday? Enjoy free laundry, pickup, and delivery. Sign up now at www.luxlaundry.com and let us take care of your laundry.
Being a student means juggling classes, assignments, and deadlines. Who has time for laundry? That's where Lux Laundry comes in. From review and our ads, we can conclude that students love it for its affordability and convenience. With pickup and delivery service that save time. Need formal wear for presentation or job interviews? Our ID service is top-notch. It's also reliable and efficient. No delays and orders always come back fresh. Plus, if you want to save money, you can split costs with your roommate or use students' discount. Lux Laundry is designed for busy students like you. Try it today from our ad.
Thank you.